Stadium. Let's go.
The 21-kilometer race will be flagged off at 5:45 in the morning, and the 10K will be flagged off at 6 o'clock, and the fun run, which is 5 kilometer, that will be flagged off at 7:30.
We have got 12 super women pacers.
This is a charity run supporting the women health and education, especially in the cancer segment. Well, the half marathon prizes will be from 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000 respectively.
For mammography, we provide them with a free coupon. So they have to go to RG store. Whatever possible, we try to help the patients if there are. Like last year, we have done about 3 patients where we have assisted them financially.